Morning, my dear students. Today I'm going to teach exercise 4.3. So here is the first question we have. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. So let us draw a graph here. Question number 1, x plus y equals to 4. But before drawing a graph, we need to find the solutions. Okay, at least two solutions, that is enough to flow the graph. So here, how to find the solutions, I will show you here. Here you see x plus y equals to 4. So x plus y, you keep any one variable, you can keep x or y. So I'm keeping here y, so x transpose right side. So what you get? 4 minus x. So here here it is the table of solutions. Okay, table of solutions. So two or three solutions, that is okay, or if two solutions, that is also okay. So here when you put x value 0 here, what you get? Y value, you get y value 4. No, see here, I will show you here. Y equals to 4 minus x. So if you put x value 0, so what you get? Y value 4. Okay, like that. So here if you put x value 2, y value, what will you get? 4 minus 2 is 2, you'll get 2. So here when you put y equals to 4, what you get? I will show you here. Y equals to 4 minus x. We are putting y value 0, so what we are going to get? X transpose left side, so you will get x equals to 4. Yes or no? So when you put y 0, x, you get 4. Okay, so we got three solutions here. Here main idea here is one, we will try to put x once x equals to 0, and once as a y equals to 0, like that. Okay, this is the idea here, this is the method. So let us draw a graph here. So we have drawn here y axis and x axis here. Okay, so here maximum up to 4, no, highest is 4, so we have taken up to 5 here. Okay, so let us plot here. X is 0, x is 0 means here, and y is 4 positive, no, here. Okay, this is 0 comma 4. Okay, then next, x is 2, y is also 2, x is 2, y is also 2. Okay, here it is 2 comma 2, no, and here next is x is 4 and y is 0, that means here, so 4 comma 0, no. Okay, so what we get here? So connect with the scale. Okay, connect with the scale nicely, you'll get what? You'll get a straight line. Clear? What will you get? You'll get a straight line. So this graph here, it is shown by what equation? X plus y equals to 4, no? Yes or no? This equation is shown, this graph is shown by the equation x plus y. So you, one thing you remember here, note here, graph of linear equation in two variables is what? Always a straight line. Okay, you keep in mind this one. One note here you can get here. Graph of a linear equation in two variables. Okay, in two variables is always a straight line. Clear? Is all. The graph of linear equation two variables is always a straight line. So in this way. So next, again, one more problem I'm going to do here. Here you see this is the question here. So we can rewrite like this: 3 equals to 2x plus y. We can write 2x plus y equals to 3. So y we are keeping here, 2x we are transposing right side. So here let us write table of solutions. So when you put x value 0, this term will be 0, no? So y, what you will get? 3. Okay, so when you put here y 0, y equals to 3 minus 2x. So when you put y 0, what will you get? So you'll get what here? Transpose left side, so you'll get 2x equals to 3. So x, what will you get? 3 by 2. Okay, so 3 by 2 means it is what? 1.5. No, you divide and see, you'll get 1.5. Clear? So here it is okay, we got two tabular solutions. So let us plot it here. X is 0 here. Okay, y is 3 positive, so it will be moving upward here. This is 0, 3. Then next is x is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means where? 1.5. No, positive. So here it is. Then y is 0. No, yes. So 3 by 2, 0. So connect these 2 points, you'll get a straight line. So you do with a scale. Okay, so this graph, it is shown by what equation? 3 equals to 2x plus y. 3 equals to 2x plus y. Okay, like that. 3 equals to 2x plus y. Then next we have question number 2, no need here. And next is question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Here, first question here, you see, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equals to x plus 7, find the value of a. We need to find value of a. See, if the point is lying on this equation, so that means here you see, this is the x and this is the y coordinate, x and y. No, so here x we have written here 3y 4. So this is the given equation. We need to find here a. No, what we need to find here? A. So let us substitute the value of x and y here. Y is 4. Okay, x is 3. 3 into 4, 12. A into 3, 3a. 7 transpose left side. 12 minus 7. How much you are getting? 3. How much? 5. So 3a. So a equals to 5 by 3. Okay, we got. And next, see here, this problem number 2 is also same like this only, like number 1. Third also same, and fourth also same, but anyway I am doing here, you see. So this is the point lies on the graph. No, this one. Okay, find k value. So here this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. So we have written x is 2x minus 3 and y is k plus 2. So this is the given equation. So 2 into x is what? 2k minus 3. Y is what? K plus 2. Okay. 2 into 2, 2k, 4k. Minus 2 into 3, 6. Plus 3 into k, 3k. 3 into 2, 6. Plus 15 equals to 0. So here 4k plus 3k, how many k? 7k. So minus 6 here and here plus 6. 0. So remaining what? 15. So transpose 15 right side, you get minus 15. So k, what you are getting? Minus 15 by 7. But back answer is minus 45 by 7. But here one thing is this, I think here maybe this number 15 is the mistake maybe. If you take, but here if it is 15, so it is correct only. If it is 45, so it will be 45 here, no problem. Okay, then next number 5, examine whether the point 1, minus 2 lies on the graph of the equation. So it is also here we need to check whether this point is lying on this lies on this graph or not of this equation. So if it lies, it will you'll get left hand side and right hand side same. Okay, but if it is not lying on the graph, you will not get left hand side and right hand side not equal to. Okay, so that's it, a simple formula, a simple idea here. So x is given here 1, y is minus 2. So substitute, this is the given equation, so substitute x and y values. So you see here 3 into 1 3, minus into minus plus, 2 into 2 4. So left hand side is 7, right hand side also 7. So it is equal. So that means what? This point lies on the graph of the equation, this one. Okay, if you don't get equal, then it will not lie on the graph. Because one thing I will show you here as a note, no, as a note I will show you here. These 3 points, see here, here, any point which does not lie on the line AB, that means on a graph, is not a solution. Okay, is not a solution. Clear? Is not a solution. See here, second point. Every point AB on the line AB gives a solution like this. See, if it is a solution of the equation, then only it lies on the graph. Okay, so this one you have to keep in mind. Next is question number 4 here. Here you see the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is ₹8, and for the subsequent distance it is ₹5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare to be y, we need to write a linear equation, and again we need to draw its graph. So here you see, for the first kilometer, for the first kilometer, it is fare is taken how much? ₹8. And for extra distance here remaining after first kilometer, remaining distance, it is taken to be 5 per kilometer. Okay, ₹5 per kilometer. So let us take the distance covered, total distance covered to be x kilometer, and total fare to be y. Okay, total fare to be y. Suppose this is the total distance covered. Okay, this is the x kilometer. Okay, total distance covered. But see here, for every first kilometer, suppose 1 kilometer, fare here is how much? ₹8 fare here for this. Okay, for this. So what will be the fare for the remaining distances? That means this is the subsequent distances. Okay, subsequent distance. What will be the fare for this? So let us find first the subsequent distance, then only we can find the fare. So subsequent distance, how will you get here? Total distance is x. Yes, then here to get subsequent distance, what will subsequent distance equal to total distance. Okay, covered. We need to remove this one, no, then we will get subsequent distance. That means 1. Okay, x minus 1 kilometer, like that. So subsequent distance fare will be what? It is said that ₹5 per kilometer, no? Yes or no? So we need to multiply by fare for subsequent distance will be what? 5 per kilometer, no? 5 into this, x minus 1 kilometer. Okay, this much rupees. So here, let the distance covered be x kilometer and total fare be y. So fare for the first kilometer is ₹8. It is clearly given. Subsequent distance we are finding here. Okay, understood, no? Subsequent distance. And fare for the subsequent distance here, ₹5 per kilometer. Okay. Then according to the question or according to the condition here, total fare will be what? For all this distance covered. Yes or no? Total fare for all this distance covered. So total fare is taken how much? Y, no? Yes or no? Y equals to, for this distance fare is how much? ₹8. Yes or no? 8. And for this distance, subsequent distance, what is the fare? 5 into x minus 1. Okay, like that. So this is the together, no? Total. So 8 plus 5 into x, 5x, minus 5 into 1 is 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So they are telling us to express in a linear equation, no? In two variables. Okay, so we can rewrite like this. So 5x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. We have written in a standard form of a linear equation in a two variables. Okay, we have expressed. Then they are telling again us to draw a graph. Now see this ready-made here, you see here, y equals to 3 plus x, no? Yes or no? So table of solutions. So when you put x 0, y what you get? This term will be 0, that means y is 3. So when you put y here 0, what you get? Y equals to 3 plus 5x. Y is 0, so 3 plus 5x. So here transpose x, no? So what you get? X equals to minus 3 by 5. Okay, so like that. So let us plot it in a graph. So here first x is what here? 0 and y is 3. X is 0, y is 3 is here 0, 3. Then second is x is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 and y is 0. Minus 3 by 5, where it will be? Minus 3 by 5. Where it will be? Which is number 4, no? Number 4. 4.3, number 4. Minus 3 by 5. Okay, so let me find where it is. So it is 0.6, no? 0.5 will be here. Little I just cross it. Okay, here it will be. Okay, so it will be minus 3 by 5 comma 0, no? So connect these two. Okay, so this will be the graph, and you can write it. This graph it is shown by which equation? 5x minus y plus 3 equals to 0, no? Like that. Okay, it is not shown clearly here, but it is what? Minus 3 by 5 comma 0. Okay, because minus 3 by 5 value, it is what? Minus 0.6 here. I have done here 0.6. Okay, so minus 0.6. 0.5 means half of this, no? Half of this is here, and 0.6 means little, just cross the little bit over 0.5. Okay, so that you'll get minus 3 by 5.0. So this is the graph here, and the remaining we don't need to do, so not important. So that's it for today. Thank you.